Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: Navern Corporation manufactures and sells custom home elevators from the time an order is placed until the time the elevator is installed in the custom home, average 133 days. This 133 days is spent as follows: wait time 28 days, inspection time 22 days, process time 32 days, move time 29 days, key time 22 days. What is Navern's manufacturing cycle efficiency for its elevators? Multiple choice: 30.5%, 57.1%, 40.6%, 59.4%. The answer of the question is Navern Corporation manufacturing cycle efficiency calculation. Pause the video, go through the calculations. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.